Good morning from yet another of the Greek islands. I'm currently on Milos. After 4 days in Paros, we took the ferry and went to this beautiful island here, and I'm really blown away. I just explored one day yesterday and already know we just have 3 days here. It's much too short. I think I could easily spend 1 or 2 weeks here and not get bored in terms of photography. One of the many beautiful places is this here. This is also maybe the most popular beach, so during day it's very crowded. So down there on those rocks everywhere there are people, but if you come in the morning, basically have it for yourself. But similar to what I did in Paros when I was shooting the rocks and doing some close-ups because of a lack of clouds in the sky, also today I felt a bit uninspired. Now you see there are a few clouds building up, but I again found more of an intimate scene here, and I quickly want to show you. So as I walked up here, and you have to be a bit careful, so those rocks are very delicate, so don't want to leave footprints. So they are shaped by wind and rain, and they look just beautiful. But when I walked up here, what I found was this little pocket of stones in this perfect surrounding. And I thought I'd give it a try again and see if I can take some more abstract photo here. And currently I like what I'm seeing on the display on my camera, but again, as usual, truth is revealed once you look at it on the big screen. So can't wait to get back into my apartment and have a look at the photo. Now I will wander around a bit and see if I can find also some wider shots, because I'm here also tomorrow, so I might return again. But for now, what a beautiful place. So if you ever want to visit Greece and the Greek islands, don't hesitate. If you're a photographer, there's so much to find here in terms of photography, much more than the typical spots in Santorini and some of the other places. So it's really a lot you can photograph here. But enough talk now. I want to enjoy this morning, take some more photos and show you 1 or 2 now. So it's now half an hour before sunrise, 2 days after I shot around here already. So it's Sarakiniko beach, which I forgot to mention. And today I'm photographing a little wider scene. So you see, I even got clouds today, but same as on Crete, it might be too many, so the sun will soon vanish behind those clouds. And I already took a photo with some soft light in the foreground. And let me quickly talk you through the composition. So I found here those beautiful terraces of rocks, which I use as a foreground. And then this rock structure here pointing into the scene, then towards the water's edge here. So a nice curve through the frame, and then the background, this little mountain with the sun setting behind it. So beautiful scene, but what I really want this evening is for the sun to peek through the clouds later on, just before sunset, to light them up a bit. And this would make for a very spectacular photo. So no close-up abstracts, which I took a lot the last day. So if you're ever on Milos, you'll find a lot of photographic opportunities where you can shoot rocks in different form, color and shape. So it's really fantastic here if you want to get into abstract photography, but also in terms of wide scenic landscapes. Milos has a lot to offer, and I just saw a little glimpse of it, but really this place is an easy place to go to if you want to take beautiful photos. So I'm now waiting a bit longer, see if I can take the photo and then show it to you.